today I'm going to be showing you guys how I applied this wig and also a couple different hairstyles. If you guys are interested, then please keep watching. Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to the channel. So as you guys see, this is going to be another headband wig video. So headband wigs are starting to become really popular. I'm not sure why, but I like it. I can't say that I'm mad at it. I have had different textures and styles. Now this one is from Sunber Hair, so I've worked with them maybe like 3-4 times in the past, so this is like the 4th or 5th, I'm not sure, but this time they did send me a curly water wave wig. So I just want to talk about packaging before we get into this little install. Guys, this is the box. It says Sunber on the top, and they included a variety of headbands. This is about 6 right here. And they also included this one, so I think this is the one I'm going to use because I really like the pearls. They also included some wig caps. So this is the bag that the wig came in. This is the wig. Alright, let's see what we're doing, what we got going on here. So this is the wig. The construction is, of course, the headband band and then one comb, another at the bottom, and there are no adjustable straps that I can see visible. Usually these wigs fit kind of any head, and if that ever is an issue like fitting, you can always add an adjustable, elastic band to whatever wig. Like it always works. So here we go. We're just about to hop into this install, and then I'll hop off just to, you know, talk about it a little bit, but I will try to demonstrate some different styles per usual. So let's get ready and get into it. So you guys, this is the wig on. There's absolutely nothing that could make it get pulled off. It shouldn't snatch off, none of that. So it's a pretty tight fit, secure. There are the combs, so I did use those. It's optional, but I would suggest using those. They're just gonna have this little elastic headband part on, and that's not really safe. It could just slide off. A girl could just snatch it off, so definitely use those combs. So I want to talk about the texture because I really like it. Now normally I would wet it, but I think I want to keep it like this. It looks natural, it looks cute, and then it's like a not too long length, so I like that because it doesn't look crazy or just unbelievable. So now I'm gonna just do a couple hairstyles with the headbands, and then I will hop back on to talk shortly about the company. you guys. So you guys just seen those cute little hairstyles that I was able to achieve. This is by far my favorite headband that they sent out of all like 6 of them. I mean, I think it's 7, I'm not sure. So I'm just going to talk a little bit about my experience with the company this go around and shipping, and then details about this hair. So you guys, shipping this time took, I'd say, maybe 3-4 days. It was via FedEx. No issues. Usually FedEx always the best. I use FedEx for my personal business, so never any issues there. I honestly feel like DHL is a little bit longer. So this is a water wave 150 density. So the wig is 20 inches, and I do just want to let you guys know I can't go all the way down, but it comes to like the top of my rib cage in the back. In the front, as you guys can see, it doesn't fall that long, but long enough. Now stretched, of course, it's going to be longer, so I don't have any issues with the length. I actually think it's much more believable, because when they're super long, you just be like, girl, that ain't your hair. But yeah, so really cute wig. There's like a lot of lint flying, but yeah, it's a really cute wig. So you guys don't really need to see how it looks wet, because I feel like that's just going to compress it. But of course it can take to water and that type of thing. Now what I will say is this is the first time I've really done a total video without adding water. With any type of water wave hair, I always add water, and I'm really proud of myself because, baby girl, it doesn't look bad. It looks nice and full and natural. And you don't always have to spray your wigs down just because they're curly. To each his own though, but I personally think it gives a nice, natural, bouncy, full, fluffy look, and that's what you want to go for, really. You don't want to look super drenched down unless it's like a lace frontal maybe. So yeah, I think it's very, very versatile, and it's perfect. Like I say about all headband wigs that I review, they're really easy to put on. It doesn't even take 5 minutes. Do your baby hairs and just pop it on. You can wear it to work, you can wear it to school, you can really wear it whenever, wherever. It won't fly off. You don't have to worry about anything. Like I said, it's pretty secure on your girl's head. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope I didn't miss anything. Shedding, I haven't really gotten much of because I haven't wetted, or I haven't been like, you know, just running my fingers through it. But as you guys can see here, I got maybe 2 strands, so shedding is at a very, very minimal. So I want to thank Sunber Hair for sponsoring this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Definitely cute, okay? Definitely good for the fall. If you're busy, you know it's grind season, you gotta go to work, you gotta put in OT, all that good stuff. So definitely a pop on and go wig. So all the links will be in the description for this wig. And like always, I love you guys, and I will see you on the next video.